Hi, I'm Cassie, and today we're going to sterilize our seed starting mix. Welcome to my channel. Let's get to it. First, get yourself a container, boil yourself some water, and grab your seed starting mix that you've purchased from the store. I have just the regular 8-quart seed starting mix from Burpee. The reason you want to do this is because fungal gnats naturally live in seed starting mix, and the fungal gnats will get into the plants and damage them, and I don't want my seeds to die, so I'm going to do this the best way I can. So I'm going to sterilize. Alright, so I have my container and I have my seed starting mix. First thing I'm going to do is add my mix to my bowl. Now it is a little dry. It's got some clumps in it, but no big deal. It's very dry and fluffy, and we want to moisten this and kill all the fungal gnats that might be in there. I have my spatula, and now I'm going to add my boiling water. I'm going to add a little bit at a time just so I can make sure I get it all incorporated. If it's too wet, just keep mixing a little bit at a time. You'd rather overdo it if it's too... So we're just going to stir this until we get all the water incorporated and everything is wet. Kind of want to do this quickly to make sure everything gets incorporated. Warm. And this just ensures that all those potential fungal gnats are dead. So you don't ruin your seedlings. I could probably add a little bit more in here. It's quite heavy. It might be pretty good. That's pretty hot. Water does squeeze out of it. I still got a little mixing to go. And now that I've got it pretty much mixed together and I believe it's fully saturated, I'm going to put some aluminum foil over the top of it to help keep that heat inside. Pack it down nice and tight. And there you go. You're going to let this sit for about a week. It's going to cool off, and then you can add it to your big container of mix and then get your seeds started. And that's it. That's how you have a nice sterile seed starting mix for your seedlings. So, as a recap, get yourself a container, add your seed starting mix to it right from the bag, add hot boiling water to kill off any fungal gnats, let it sit for a week, and then you'll be able to have nice healthy starts to your seeds this season. If you're new here and you'd like to follow along with me on my garden journey, please subscribe down below. If you have any questions or comments for me or any suggestions, I'm all open for it. I'm new. I have really not a whole lot of experience with gardening, but I'm going to start it out right, and I'm going to document my journey. So here we go.